Have you ever wondered if your online money can vanish into thin air? Today, we're diving deep into a question that's been on everyone's mind. Is Vivid Money permanent? Let's find out. Before we get into the permanence, let's quickly recap what Vivid Money is. It's a digital banking platform that offers a range of financial services, from payments and transfers to savings and investments. But is it as solid as traditional banks? The myth of permanence, the idea of permanence in the digital world, is a bit of a myth. Remember when everyone was convinced MySpace would last forever? Or how about the countless online businesses that have come and gone? The truth is, nothing is truly permanent in the digital realm. Factors affecting Vivid Money's permanence. Regulatory environment. The biggest factor influencing Vivid Money's permanence is the regulatory environment. If governments decide to tighten regulations on digital banks or impose new taxes, it could impact the platform's operations. Market competition. The digital banking landscape is highly competitive. If a new player emerges with superior features or a more attractive business model, it could pose a threat to Vivid Money's position. Technological advancements. Technology is constantly evolving. If Vivid Money fails to keep up with the latest advancements, it could become obsolete. Economic conditions. Economic downturns can have a significant impact on any business, including digital banks. If a recession hits, Vivid Money may face challenges. Signs of a sustainable platform. While nothing is guaranteed, there are certain signs that suggest a digital bank is more likely to be sustainable. Strong regulatory compliance. A platform that adheres to strict regulatory standards is more likely to survive. Customer focus. A company that prioritizes customer satisfaction and builds trust is more likely to succeed. Financial stability. A digital bank with a solid financial foundation is less likely to face insolvency. Innovation. Platforms that continuously innovate and adapt to changing market conditions are better positioned for long-term success. So, is Vivid Money permanent? The short answer is, we don't know. While there are factors that suggest Vivid Money could be a sustainable platform, nothing is guaranteed. It's important to be cautious and diversify your investments. The digital world is constantly evolving, and it's essential to stay informed about the latest developments. By understanding the factors that influence the permanence of digital banks, you can make more informed decisions about your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.